Hey, it's me, Zach. Just got a delivery from Larry, the UPS guy. I thought it was a return of something, but hey, look, fancy game fuel sticker. And my buddy Dan, who is recording, thank you, Dan, by the way. It says right here, Mountain Dew Cake Smash. It's here. All right. Let's see how this looks. And Dan has no idea what this is, and so he's probably just excited. So ready? Here we go. I got lucky, I think, because when I got the email about this, and I went and clicked on, like, ooh, what's this? I clicked on it. It's like, ooh, special flavor, only on the Dew store. Cake Smash. I'm like, what? I'm like, oh, I gotta get this. I went, sold out. Oh, it's crushed. So then, I was sad. I was telling people, oh, look, this is what I missed out on. Oh, well, that's terrible. It's terrible. It's a bummer. So then, I'm like, I was about to close the window. I'm like, what the heck? I'll hit the old refresh on there. I hit the old refresh. Add to cart. I'm like, what? Oh my gosh, I can add to the cart? All right, so I added to the cart. You could buy 2 of them. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to buy 2 of them. It's kind of stupid expensive. I'll have to look it up. Don't come back to you when I taste this thing. But I got 2 of them, and it arrived today. So here we go. So I'm opening up the box. Oh, look. Ooh, cardstock. This is nice. Hey, Dew Nation, it's time for you to celebrate. I'm not going to read this all, unless you want me to. But here, this is it. That's what that looks like. All right, next we have just a brown box. Ooh. Oh, and here they are. All nestled in a nice little thing. Oh, look at that. Nice and safe and sound.
What does a can look like, Zach?
Are you ready? Ooh, look at that. Oh, Cake Smash. Oh, man. We've got 16 ounces of pure I don't know. So we'll find out. We're not going to drink this warm. That's no fun. So we'll get this on ice, and we will be back for part 2 of the Mountain Dew Cake Smash. By the way, it is Dew with a rush of artificial cake flavor, because you can't put real cake in a Mountain Dew. All right, so until this gets on ice, I'm out. Here I go. Hey, it's me, Zach, and my buddy Dan. All right, hey Dan, welcome. We're back. We have put our Cake Smash on ice, so it's nice and cool now. And it was kind of fun because I just realized that we were out celebrating your birthday, and we have this special Cake Smash thing. And the whole premise, we didn't read this last time, but I guess this whole thing is it's a do-over. I guess probably because of the whole COVID thing, and it says because if you're reading this, you've got a do-over to get it. I can't read. If you're reading this, you got a do-over to get to. Maybe it was a graduation, a birthday, or once in a lifetime milestone. Maybe it was just an excuse to have a little fun. Whatever it was, now is the time to celebrate by having your cake and drinking it too. So here's that sign again for you to see. I guess there was a contest that you could send in a thing to get 2 free cans. You'd tweet a thing.
Wow.
I guess I didn't see that.
So wait, there's more?
No, this is it. It went on sale. I got an email that said it went on sale. I was like, oh, what's this? I never heard of it. So I don't check the Twitters much, so I guess that's my fault. And you could buy it. I guess it sold out in a couple hours from what I saw. If you were the first 250 people that bought it, I guess you got a party pack with hat.
Wow,
I think
we don't have hats.
Balloons.
Well, you got hats.
I got plenty of hats. And all that kind of stuff. So here we are. I guess we should stop wasting time and get to the taste test, right?
Yep.
So let's see. I always like to do the smell test on a new Dew, but here we go. All right. I'll take the first smell. I don't know. It just smells like sugar water. What do you think?
Cold.
Oh, it's clear.
Wow.
I was expecting it to be some fun
Clear
color.
Dew. Wow.
How much you want?
That's fine.
That's good. It's clear, so it's not as white out, and it's not as clear as the Dew Ice or whatever. So here we go. There it is. I don't pick up any sense of cake smell.
Oh, I do.
Do you really?
Yes.
Oh, wait, you know?
See, with my age, my sense of smell is finer developed, right?
Perfect. Yeah, I mean, maybe a very sweet cake. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Down the hatch.
Oh,
That is cake.
holy cow.
Hmm.
That is totally cake. I was not expecting it to taste like cake like this.
Funny how they do that.
That's kind of fun.
It does taste like cake.
It totally does taste like cake. Wow. I mean, yeah, even like the aftertaste is kind of like the frosting on the cake a little bit, I think. I'm not a big frosting guy, but...
And it's not overpowering cake.
No,
taste.
it really isn't. This isn't bad.
Mm-hmm.
I could see this being a lot of fun for a birthday party or a celebration like they're doing. Well, hey, Mountain Dew.
They did good.
Well done on Cake Smash. Not gonna lie. I wasn't expecting that at all. 2 thumbs up on this one. I hope they bring it back. I don't think it's around. I think it's just a limited one-time run thing. So I'm not sure if they bring that kind of thing back often. I don't think they usually do. But this was fun. I enjoyed it. Well done, Mountain Dew. Give it my seal of approval. It was worth the... I never looked up how much it cost, but it wasn't cheap for Mountain Dew. I wouldn't pay that much again for it. No, maybe I would. Yeah, I probably would. It was fun. All right. Thank you, everyone. Until next time. Here we go.